Hey guys, welcome back. Game time here, and I'm going to try my luck with another box of Illusions Football. My first box was pretty good. I wouldn't call it, like stellar, but I thought it was okay. I got a autograph out of my little Panini pack, and I had a couple of dual relics of some star players. I don't know. Go watch that video, please. I'm not telling you what to do. I'm asking that you do. So you can see, yeah, it's still early and I haven't really processed, but I think that box was pretty good. I didn't get like one of the stud rookie quarterbacks, but I got some good rookies and some good hits and some good vet stuff in there. So check that out. So we're about to repeat with another box. Let me get my little camera ready here. Have to go away from my pumpkin. Just stay back there, pumpkin. Let's see, these feel thin. My other one of them felt thick. I ended up with one auto and one decent parallel Kareem Hunt. Let's see what we have here. CJ Mosley and a Melvin Ingram parallel /299, I believe. Yeah. And our second pack has J.J. Watt and Keenan Allen. So nothing too spectacular. No autograph out of those this time. But let's see how we do out of this box of Illusions. If you haven't watched the other video or any other videos, here's what you can expect out of this box and any box you purchase for yourself. Although it does say on average. There are 10 packs, 5 cards per pack. These are a bit of a thicker stock, more premium type card. Starting off with Corey Davis. I think we have a hit here. Let me set this down. And grab a filler so you can see these. These, like last year, the inserts are acetate. This is Mystique Darius Geis. Looks like we already have a hit. A Cortland Sutton First Impressions jersey, big orange swatch /499. So that's the first jersey hit. Marshawn Lynch and Marcus Allen, I should say Jalen Samuels. And here's a James Washington rookie paired up with Antonio Brown. Mike White rookie with Danny White. Matching numbers, Adam Thielen and Lance Allworth. Next hit is an Ito Smith. That is my rookie jersey, numbered /499. So it was, this was not as good as the one in the other box. Nothing against you, Ito, but he weren't as good as the other one. Rookie Nick Chubb and Isaiah Crowell, Alan Hearns, and Drew Pearson. Oh, good. I see a Calvin Ridley back there. Lamar Jackson, rookie with Trent Dilfer. So that's a good rookie there. Living Legends, Kuechly. Alan Hearns and Drew Pearson /499. This is like a parallel gold, I guess. Derrick Henry and Eddie George. Nice pair there. And there's Ridley and Julio. A perfect pairing. Not only did they both play for Alabama, they are similar style players. And they are both awesome. They both have incredible skills. Last week before last, Ridley put on a show. Brady and Jim Plunkett. And luckily, I had him in my lineup that day. DJ Chark, rookie with Marquise Lee. Here's a Geis rookie parallel with Clinton Portis /499. And a guy's non-parallel with Clinton Portis. Trey Burton and Mike Ditka. Cooper Kupp and Isaac Bruce. Set this down. Illusionist Kamara to 99. It's funny, in the last box I received this same insert, another parallel version to 25. So this is the red. I don't remember what the 25 I think was like a dark blue. So cool. Here's a blue Hayden Hurst and Shannon Sharp combo to 249. It's Kamara again with Ricky Williams. There's a Josh Allen rookie with Jim Kelly. Nice pack there. I like it a lot. There's Trubisky and Jim Harbaugh. Another Illusionist Michael Vick non-parallel version. Here's a green. I did not get a green in the last box. Michael Crabtree and Mike Wallace. The green is $2.99. Jalen Samuels, rookie with Jerome Bettis. And a Baker Mayfield with Vinny Testaverde. I did get a Baker in the last box. So that's cool. I got 2 of those now. Not exactly a huge Baker fan, but oh, sweet. Here's a good one. I did not get a Saquon in the first box, so I needed that. Paired up with Otis Anderson. Mystique, Rashad Penny. Kirk Cousins and Fran Tarkenton to $4.99. Gold parallel. Jarvis Landry with Paul Warfield. And Kerryon Johnson with Barry Sanders for the Lions. This stuff's pretty fun to open. It's a little bit pricey though for what you get. Harrison Smith and Paul Krause, a Living Legends parallel version to $2.99. Living Legends Matt Ryan. Here is a red Harrison Smith and Paul Krause to $1.99. Austin Hooper and Tony Gonzalez and Alex Collins and Priest Holmes. It's a thick pack there. We're down to the last 2 packs and then we open this baby up. What are we lacking? We have just 2 hits, so we're actually missing a couple of hits here. Let's see. So maybe these last 2 packs have hits. Looks like they do. A little kicker action. Terrell Suggs, Living Legends. Looks like we have an autograph of Hayden Hurst. Nope, a jersey of Hayden Hurst to $4.99. Another First Impressions. Big swatch. A Traquan Smith rookie card with Brandon Cooks and Roethlisberger and Terry Bradshaw. And we should have another hit here. Definitely something thick in there. Jamal Williams and Jim Taylor, Dalvin Cook and AP. We have a Josh Rosen, Christian Kirk dual autograph to 10. With a sweet little patch for Christian Kirk. That is a nice card. I typically don't like dual player cards, but I like Christian Kirk a lot, and I think Josh Rosen's alright, so wow, that's a nice hit. That's good. This kind of saved the box because the other hits haven't been that great. Joe Mixon and Ickey Shuffle and Russell Wilson, Warren Moon. Alright, and our last big encased card, which it is Lamar Jackson autograph to 10. Rookie endorsements, Lamar Jackson autograph to 10. Are you freaking kidding me? So I got a Josh Rosen autograph and a Lamar Jackson autograph in the same box. Let's just observe a moment of silence for how good this was. Okay, we can talk again. Wow. All right. So, yeah, these boxes are pricey. They're still kind of fun to open. Do with that information what you will. You could get burnt. I was talking to my friend about these boxes, and I think he had watched or seen a lot more open than I have, and you can get burnt, but you can also, of course, it's just like opening any other box. It's a gamble. You could do well, you could not. So I think the prices are not as high as they were, so you may want to take a chance, you may not. This is a pretty sweet box though. So alright guys, take care of yourself, and I'll be back with some more breaks, hopefully some cool stuff like this again soon. Everybody take care.